How to measure for your new driveway gate. Measuring for your new gate is straightforward. Just follow these simple steps. Measure the opening between your existing posts or pillars at 3 horizontal points. One at the top, then across the middle, and finally along the bottom. This helps check whether the pillars are perfectly upright or slightly out of alignment. Next, take a note of the smallest of those measurements. Decide on how you want to hang the gate. There are 2 options. First, by mounting the gate on the rear face of the pillars. Reduce the smallest measurement by 50 millimeters. Second option, mount the gate between the center of the pillars. Reduce the measurement by 150 millimeters. Let's talk about the height of your gate. Measure from the ground up to the height you want your gate to sit at. If your pillar has a cap, make sure to leave enough space underneath it. And don't forget to leave a bit of clearance at the bottom. We recommend about 40 millimeters between the bottom of the gate and the ground to keep things moving smoothly. The height of the gate is always taken from the bottom edge to the highest point and includes any scrolls or finials, design dependent. In this example, the highest point would be at the center. On a curved or swan neck gate design, the difference in height between the center and side will be 1 foot or 304 millimeters. This rule also applies when the curved design is lower in the center and higher at the side. On this example, the highest point is at the side, and the difference between the side and the center is 1 foot or 304 millimeters. Adding some power? If you plan to add automation now or in the future, you will need to add a solid middle rail for above-ground automation or wraparound hinges for an underground system. This option can be found under Automation in the drop-down box. If you're ordering online, use the Width drop-down menu to find the closest size below your measured width. For a precise fit to the exact millimeter, feel free to call our team and order over the phone.